Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage your posts on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage your posts on Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your posts on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. To proceed, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. What you'll need to do is to scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see the settings. Tap on these settings. And also, under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences and also the audience and visibility. And then in here, simply tap on this post. And once you tap on your post, you can manage your post in here. First, you can manage on who can see your future post. Simply tap on it and now you can change it. Also, you can also limit who can see your past post. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your posts on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your posts on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.